Hi, Donna here with Ready to Stamp, where I teach stamping tips and techniques so that you will be ready to stamp. So today I want to share with you my box of items that I received or purchased, that I purchased through our new catalog and the Celebration catalog. Now, I have already done this video, but I didn't realize it and there was no sound, so you couldn't hear me. So I have to redo it, and that's why the box is open and it looks kind of shambled. So bear with me, and we'll go through the catalog, which I'm really excited about to share with you. So I'm just going to kind of go through and pull out what we have here. Start with the stamps. This is the Flutterby Floating and Fluttering stamp set and the Fluttering dies, which I am so excited about. If you know me, you know I love butterflies, and I think these are really beautiful and just can make really nice cards. And then also with the dies to help cut everything out. And I love this frame right here. So, and this I am so excited about. Handsomely Suited, and it has suit and tie dies, so it has the little die, the little bow tie, and these ties, and it has a couple, and it has a die that makes it look like a shirt or a jacket. It's just really really nice, and it comes with, you can either purchase the stamp set and the dies together at a 10% discount, and then there's also the Suite collection for the Handsomely Suited, and it comes with this beautiful designer series paper and the stamp set and die and this beautiful baker's twine. I believe it is, what colors? Doesn't tell me. I think that's Going Gray and Night of Navy. I believe that's what that is. Okay, so we have these blending brushes, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to use them. That you can 3 in a pack, and they are just really, really soft. It's like a brush. So I can't wait to use these and share these with you. I also purchased, I couldn't believe it, I looked through my blends and I don't have any pink. I have purple, I have orange, I have blue, I have yellow, but I don't have pink. So I purchased Melon Mambo Pink, Melon Mambo Stamping Blends. And then here is our square doilies, vellum doilies, foam adhesive sheets when you're cutting out detailed items. Cut it out with this and it'll be easy to set it up on your card. And I also got some clear medium envelopes. I learned something new with these, so I'm going to try and teach you how to do what I learned. And here is a bundle of Hearts and Kisses with a heart and lip punch, and you buy it together at a 10% discount, of course. And you guys, I got this because I lost one of the stamps, the Let It Snow, and looked and looked and looked and looked, and I love the stamp set, so I had to purchase a new one so that I had the Let It Snow. So, warning to you, be careful with your stamps. I've learned that when I'm finished with them, if I'm not going to immediately put them on the plastic here, then I'm going to set it on here real quick so that I don't lose it, because that's very frustrating and maddening when you don't have the stamp that you want. I purchased some Bumblebee gingham ribbon, and I also bought Misty Moonlight 2020 to 2022 in color ribbon, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. I love gingham. And then, of course, I purchased some refills for my Stamp and Seal. And then I also purchased some, just the Stamp and Seal case with it already in it. Because when I use my classes, we go through a lot of this, which is fine with me. I love this ridiculously awesome set. Just very encouraging. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. That's that. And you got this. Those are my two favorite ones out of this. But yeah, just a very encouraging stamp set. I got some mini glue dots. Then I got some cardstock because I was running out. I got Night of Navy, Pear Pizzazz, Daffodil Delight, Rich Razzleberry, and I got some Whisper White thick cardstock for my layering. And I just wanted to let you know, if you haven't seen on my Facebook page or my website, that Stampin' Up! Is going to be discontinuing Whisper White. Have no fear though, they are coming out with a new one. The reason they are discontinuing is because the company that was making this for them had to stop because of Corona. They had to close their doors. But Stampin' Up! in the great way that they are, they have another one called Basic White, and they are, and it's supposed to be just as good as the Whisper White. I have not tested it, but I trust Stampin' Up! That they have done a bang-up job in finding new new white cardstock for us. The demonstrators that I have talked to or seen talk about this say that it is awesome cardstock, and we will be very happy with it. So as soon as I get some, I will share that with you and let you know what I think of it. Now, here are the celebration stuff that I got out of there. This one is a purchase of $100, and you get the designer series paper and the stamp set as a bundle for free. This is a $50 purchase. It's got corner bouquets, which I think is really cute. This paper is beautiful. It's an ombre. It's Oh So Ombre, it's called. One side has the dots, or the circles, the other side is plain. And then this is another one that is a $100 purchase, A Touch of Ink. If you get a $100 purchase, then you can choose this one for free. I hope that this was fun for you to see different things that you can purchase through the catalog and get to see it up close. I will be sharing with you some of these and making projects with them with you. Like I said before, if you do not have a demonstrator and would like a catalog and a celebrations catalog, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can contact me down in the description, in the comments area, or Donna@readytostamp.com is my email. So again, this is Donna here from Ready to Stamp, where I teach stamping tips and techniques so that you are ready to stamp. Have a great day and happy creating.